What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. This right here is going to be a tutorial on how to set up RSI on ThinkorSwim. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to remove all of my studies. I don't want to confuse anybody. So let me remove my studies. I'm going to leave the drawing on there. We're going to be using the SPY ETF, the S&P 500 ETF. So basically, you just go to your screen. You go to your chart. You're going to right click. You're going to go down to studies. There's really two ways to do it. You can do a quick study. But for the purpose of you learning ThinkorSwim and being able to implement other studies on top of each other, I would just get used to using edit studies. So you're going to pop up edit studies, hit RSI. Ignore the rest of them right now. We're going to keep it simple. RSI, you're going to double click it. You can move this above or below volume, whatever you want. You can overlay it on the volume. I like to have it separate, so I'm going to put it below volume. We'll make it a little bit bigger here. And this is the default RSI. Okay. So RSI, when it defaults, it has a 14 length. So 14 days. We're on the daily candles. A 70 is overbought. 30 is oversold. So if you're looking at these types of levels, this right here, overbought, oversold. Now, I'm going to go ahead and continue to a next point. This is kind of, so you don't have to really, an 8-year-old or a child might need to see the lines. So what I like to do with my RSI, you don't have to do this, is to go into my studies, right? I'm going to edit, hit the little gearbox here, and I'm just going to make mine the same number. Okay, so right in the middle at 50-50. Now, we're going to hit apply, and it's basically going to put a neutral line. Okay, so 50 is basically the neutral. Now, you can do all kinds of things with this. So you can do something if you wanted to. You could put a drawing like right here and kind of see a level at which a true relative strength likes to bounce from. Okay, instead of using the RSI of 70, which would be here, right? You can kind of basically use your own brain and think that it's a 75 RSI or it's an 80 RSI. I know we're looking into a lot of strength right here and we're due for a correction. Okay, so let's use it and apply it to the chart real quick, and then that'll be it for this video. I'm going to keep it under 5 minutes. So we had a lot of uptrend action at the end of last year, okay, and we had a lot of consolidation. So about every time that it would touch this little resistance right here on this RSI, it would consolidate and keep on running. Okay, so you're not when you have that with your uptrend, you're not you don't have a lot of risk of it firing down and being oversold. Okay, but it finally did. Okay, as it showed a lot of strength and kept building, we hit a point with the coronavirus and things like that, and it shot down. Okay, so it turned blue right here. It doesn't necessarily mean we're oversold, anything like that. It means we've had a big point in the sell-off pressure. Okay, so it consolidated for a minute. It tried to bounce back, and then it sold off to an RSI of 19. Okay, so if you see me scrolling here, I want you to focus on this right here. That's how you know your RSI. See how it changes? So RSI down here was at 19.72. It's really weak. Okay. Also a very good buying opportunity if you're bullish on the stock that you're looking at. So that's what happened. It ran back up, and then we had another uptrend set. Okay, and then we had a RSI of I want to get it right, but 82.21. Very, very strong. Also above these levels right here. And then it corrected down again. Okay, so that's just how you use RSI, Relative Strength Index. If you have any questions, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe, anything like that. I've also put a poll on my YouTube recently. I kind of want to take some suggestions on, would you rather me give you analysis on stocks with my own opinion, or would you rather me focus more on tutorials? So if you could for me, just give me a vote on that poll. It would really help me out on future content on this channel. Other than that, guys, I appreciate the support. If you have any questions, like I said, just hit me up, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.